wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best steel targets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. There are 5 different sizes in this collection of gongs from Titan Attachments, which allows you to tailor its level of difficulty to your current skills. There are 2 half-inch holes in the upper corners to make it easy to hang them from a chain or rope. These have no sharp or rough edges and are a good choice for beginners. However, they're not suitable for high-caliber ammo. At number 9, the Caldwell Rimfire resetting is good for plinking around with the .22 as each circle flies up before returning to place, giving you a never-ending supply of bullseyes. Just don't use anything much more powerful than that, as the plates are too thin for bigger bullets. It comes with orange stickers and collapses for storage, but the support bars can crumple if hit. Coming in at number 8 in our list, with a heavy-duty stand, extension beam, and 4 chain mounting kits, the Hi-Wild Complete has just about everything you need. You can adjust the angle of the gongs to increase the difficulty level, and all the parts can be replaced individually if needed. It comes with a powder-coated finish and is available in multiple configurations. However, it is relatively expensive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for steel targets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, there's a target within a target on the Shooting Target 7 Bullseye, giving you another option with which to test your accuracy. The center portion moves independently from the rest, and it even opens up when struck, so you won't have to guess whether or not you missed. It comes with heavy chains from a veteran-owned company, but it doesn't make much noise. Moving up our list to number 6. Prairie dogs can damage crops and endanger livestock with their tunnels, so you can practice getting rid of them with the Do All Outdoors Popper. This lifelike animal silhouette springs back up after being hit and is designed for soft-nose lead .22 caliber ammunition. It's almost 1 foot tall and includes ground stakes. It's affordably priced too. Halfway up our list at number 5. Tactical Scorpion gear offers gongs in a plethora of sizes and shapes, so you should be able to find one that suits your needs. They're backed by a limited lifetime guarantee. These are made from steel used in body armor and come with hanging hardware. They're heavy to minimize any swaying. At number 4, if you want to spice things up a little, the high-caliber animal silhouette lets you put a face or at least a shadow to your target. They come in an assortment of styles, including buffalo, bear, and 2 different styles of zombie. You can request different colors and they won't corrode. They're available in 3 sizes too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. When you hit one of the 6-inch paddles on the Birchwood Casey dueling tree, it swings to the opposite side. You don't need any tools to assemble it, and it can be set up in seconds. It measures slightly more than 4 feet tall. It provides visual and audible feedback and comes with a hard carrying case. But the center post is not AR-500 rated. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for steel targets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, these options from Steel Shooting Targets are painted white to provide plenty of contrast between them and your crosshairs. That makes it easier to zero in, but it also takes away at least one of your excuses for missing. They can be used at 75 yards with rifles and produce a loud ring when hit. They're not prone to cratering. And taking the top spot on our list, each plate in this 2-pack from AR-500 Target Solutions is made of 3/8 of an inch laser-cut steel, which is more than enough for most rifle calibers. Pistols will hardly make a dent. They're reversible to double their lifespan and are easy to repaint when chipped. They're great for backyard ranges. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for steel targets, or simply click beneath this video.